Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you another powerful tool I've built, a data cleaner that can handle rough, messy data and turn it into clean, well-structured and organized information for you. Here's the interface, toggle dark mode. You can upload files or folder with thousands of files. And after processing, you can use these filters for price and for type of property. So let's get started and let's start with upload file. Let's go here and new folder. Let's try which one? This one. Let's try with first file here. Okay, file uploaded successfully and you just need to clean. Okay, also just hit this button, clean data, and there you go. Okay, so rows generated 41. Okay, now let's go and yes, you can use this filter. Just to check, apply filter. And if you wanna just go around and see what it is, let's go and upload a folder. Let me see. So, no matter how big your data is, whether it's a single file or a folder, um, with thousands of files, this tool can process it quickly and efficiently. All I have to do is load the files or entire folder and the tool take care of the rest. Okay, so let's go ahead and upload a folder here. New folder. Let's go ahead and select this folder. Folder selected, folder uploaded successfully, and oops, upload folder, new folder, select folder, and clean data. Boom. Yes, so 820 rows generated, okay, from this folder. So as you can see, it goes through each file line by line, removing unwanted characters, fixing, formatting, and organizing the data into clean, usable form. So it doesn't matter if it's hundreds of thousands of files, this tool can handle bulk data easily and save hours of manual work. So once it's finished, I export everything into clean Excel or CSV file. Where is it? Yeah, export data here. And you can use CSV, Excel, and PDF uh, for your next project or upload. So if you got rough data from scraping or old reports, don't worry, send it to me and I'll deliver clean, organized data that's easy to use and reliable. If you want your data cleaned and structured, just reach out. I'm ready to help. Thanks. Okay, let's go ahead and just export. Um, Save. Data exported successfully. Okay.